On Wednesday, the German government will release its first civil defence strategy update since the end of the Cold War, a document commissioned in 2012, and at the moment we just have leaked extracts through German media. Some of the headlines from those extracts include an apparent recommendation, a reported recommendation, that civilians in Germany should stockpile up to 10 days of food supplies, 5 days of water supplies. There's also apparently a discussion about bringing back, if a need arises, a certain form of civilian backup for the professional military. In other words, a conscription of some sort. And also, we understand just a more general discussion about a more holistic strategy for cooperation between civil and military authorities. So, for example, each government department, there is a recommendation, we understand, for them to have a backup in a military installation should that civilian building be rendered useless. Now, there has been some criticism and even some jokes about this strategy in some of the newspaper headlines and amongst the German public. But this document does also point out that the focus here is not so much against conventional, to deal with instances of conventional conflict. It stresses that this remains unlikely. Instead, it points towards things like terrorism, a cyber attack, a major cyber attack, and even extreme weather patterns caused by climate change. This does seem to be just one quite strong move of a number of moves in recent days, perhaps designed to push defence issues up the news agenda ahead of a major European Union summit happening in Bratislava in early September. Guy Henderson, CCTV, Berlin.